Hello folks. So I just wanted to talk about Ola Maps in this video. So one of the things that the people of Ola Maps said, I think Bhavish Agrawal said, our CEO or someone else from Ola Maps said that how is Ola Maps going to be different with Google Maps, and like how are we planning to do stuff, right? So Ola as a company is always trying to do stuff for India, and India is one of the biggest populations in the world, right? The one big thing and great thing is that when you actually cater to India and can actually cater to the diverse culture and diverse needs of the people of India, and it's a big population, and can scale your technology to the level of India, and you've solved that all the technology problems and many other problems for the scale of India. Well, it's very easy to actually go to other countries, especially Southeast Asian countries like, say, Indonesia, Thailand, and I don't know about Thailand, maybe Indonesia, maybe Vietnam, Thailand, and all, I don't know. But there is Singapore and many other places, and only one population is bigger than India as of now. I think it's China. So if we cater to India, we have solved most of the scaling problems at technology level, at least. Assuming we have a lot of users, of course, right? Surely we'll have a lot of users over time for Ola Maps and many other Ola services that we are bringing up now. And Ola Maps, compared to Google Maps, Google is a very big company, right? And Google Maps is a very big, part of it. Similar to other parts of Google, like Google Cloud Platform, or something like, say, Google Cloud Platform has Google Firebase, I think. And other Google services like, say, Gmail, Google Docs, and whatnot, right? The Google suite of services, right? So the thing is, Google Maps, I think their business model is basically provide APIs to developers. For example, I think developers can use, I'm assuming, I'm not sure, can use the Google Maps search feature and many other features, right? Whatever features that Google Maps provides to users, to the public, developers can use it through the API, HTTP APIs, I'm guessing, web APIs, for programming their own applications, right? I guess apps like Uber, I'm assuming Uber is using Google, but I'm not sure. Ola used to use Google Maps, but now it's using Ola Maps. And the thing is this, right? Ola Maps is also planning to provide its Maps API to developers. It's already open and free for developers for a year or so, and it's actually free for startups. Basically, they're providing it for people to actually try it out and give feedback. The best part is Ola Maps will be built for India, and the other thing is we can actually cater to the requests of the users of Ola Maps, right? For example, Google Maps is a big company, right? Like I said, and it's a Google Maps. Google is a big company, and Google Maps is a big part of it. It's a big service. It's a very, very mature service, right? It has a lot of features. Let's say you give feedback to Google and say you want some feature, right? In general, in Google search, web search, or Google Gmail, or Google Maps and all, the chance of them implementing that feature request for you might be pretty low compared to, say, something like Ola Maps. You request Ola Maps to create something, they can actually create it for you, right? Especially if it is India specific. Google Maps is catering to a large customer base in the whole world, right? Ola Maps is starting with India for now, I think. I believe they will probably scale to other parts of the world. But then for now it's India, and I think they can cater to Indians, right? And the requests of Indians, right? So if it's an India specific request, they will cater to it, or at least consider it, right? The number of requests that Ola Maps gets for feature requests and whatnot, or feedback, would probably very less compared to the number of feature requests and feedbacks that Google Maps gets, or Google gets in general, right? So, and though Google has a big scale, but would they really consider your feature request and also build it and whatnot? Versus Ola Maps, I think they'll at least consider it and put it on their roadmap and try to actually cater to users, because we don't have much users as of now. Google Maps has a lot of users, public users, developers who are paying for the APIs and whatnot. Ola Maps as of now does not have like public users because there's no Ola Maps application similar to Google Maps for people to check out directions, but developers can use it. Maybe developers can build Ola Maps for free, for now, similar to Google Maps application for public users, right? And the best part, as of now, Ola Cabs already implements it, like the Ola Maps visualization and all the features. And someone can actually bring that and make a Google Maps application out of it also, similar to Google Maps. An application similar to Google Maps out of the Ola Maps API. And we have very less users, right? So you have only, let's say, 1 million users versus you have another business has 100 million users. And which company would listen to their customers' feedback, right? Maybe the 100 million users company might listen to their customers' feedback, but will they be able to implement it? How much they'll be able to implement it and whatnot is a question, right? And it will still be a big company, probably, or small company, as in like the number of people or the amount of money it has. I'm sure Google is bigger than Ola, but still with its scale, will it use its scale to actually cater to all the feedbacks and feature requests of their users, right? It has to consider a lot of things, given it's a product for the world, right? It's a worldwide product, and they don't really have to actually respect or cater to their users' feature requests or feedback and all, because they already have customers. And it's not like they must do it or else they will lose a lot of customers, right? But for Ola, we have only a few customers now, let's say. We can cater to everyone's feedback, at least consider it, right? Or read it, consider it, right? The number of feedbacks and feature requests we get, we can consider it, put it on a roadmap, even try to make a roadmap public, who knows, I don't know. But it's possible for us to actually implement your feature requests and feedback. The probability is more than Google, right? So in that way, Ola Maps can actually be better than Google Maps, or you can say any startup can actually cater to its users' feedback a bit more easily, or consider their users' feedback a bit more easily, because they initially have only a few users in the start, early stage startups or whatever, right? Like startups, a new software, new service, right? Compared to some company that is having a matured service with lot of customers, right? So they will be like, I already have enough customers for my list of features. I will probably not entertain new feature requests from new customers or existing customers who have like very small percentage of existing customers are asking for this feature. So I might not implement it and whatnot. So yeah, I think Ola Maps has an advantage in that way, similar to any other startup that has an advantage for its new services, or any business has an advantage for its new services compared to other businesses, other companies that have services that are actually more mature, right? So yeah, I think Ola Maps has a great opportunity here, and I'm looking forward to actually Ola Maps becoming a big success. So yeah, and of course, like Ola AI, Ola Kritrim Cloud, Ola Kritrim AI, Kritrim Chat, Ola Silicon Chip, we are making that also. And we are competing with Google again there, Google, Nvidia, Intel, like in chips. So AI related chips, specific chips, not GPUs, tensor processing unit. That's the popular term, but I think we'll call it something like compute unit, I forgot the complete name. I think AI compute unit, something like that. And also, also like Ola Electric, of course, and what else? Ola Maps, Ola Electric, and Ola Kritrim, basically AI Cloud, AI Kritrim Cloud, and Silicon Chip. These are all the new services that we are trying out, and I think there'll be more new services. And there is also Ola ONDC. Ola ONDC Foods has been there for some time. There is Ola ONDC Groceries coming up. It's already there, and there are more features coming up in it. You can check it out in the Ola Cabs app. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.